Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to cook an easy and tasty nacho cheese sauce. This cheese sauce is perfect on nachos or a dip for any party. In a pan, add 100 grams of butter, followed by 2 tablespoons of plain flour. Combine the butter and flour. Cook for 2 minutes. This will stop the sauce tasting like flour. Next, add 1 cup of milk. Heat until the milk starts to simmer and the butter and the flour mixture helps it to thicken. For a little extra flavour, add half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper and season with salt. Now turn off the heat and add 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese. In total, we're going to add 2 cups of cheese, but we're not going to do this all at once because it'll drop the temperature too quickly and the cheese just won't melt and create that sauce. So next, add another half a cup of cheddar cheese. Once melted into the sauce, add your final half a cup. Mix through until the sauce is fully combined. This nacho cheese sauce is looking perfect. It's smooth, but holds together beautifully. All that's left to do is to serve it up. There you have it, a beautiful nacho cheese sauce. This sauce is a perfect dip served with some salsa and corn chips. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.